All right, to install one of these handles on top of your drawer packouts, you do the same thing you kind of do for the crate. You've got this little bracket. You come in here, you find your center, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You set it up here, you find the center there. You rest it on the top of this little ridge. Then you make your marks. I like to use these silver markers. They seem to work really well. You make your mark. Grab your drill. Drill a 1/4-inch hole. Each of those holes. Take your countersunk bolts, slide those in. And then from the other side, you just grab your nuts from the other side. We're going to need to switch the camera here a little bit.